everybody, let them hear you.
Oh man, that definitely felt right. We threw down.
You were like fire and ice.
Thunder and lightning. Hip and hop.
Cheese and sprinkles.
What?
It's an American thing.
Come on, my handsome lover. Practice makes perfect.
Hi, Jules. Hi, Bruce. See you in a few.
Nico, Pedro, where are everyone's been? They're both late.
Not late, but musician early. We are ready to party. To samba, so they say.
Well, don't you think they're quiet because I received by the audition?
They certainly look very talented, don't they? Never judge a bird by its beak. The only way to tell is to dance it out. We are looking for a singer, a dancer, the whole wagon. And let's get moving. First, we need something that can make them wiggle, something that'll make them jiggle, and finally, something that really pops.
I'm no chance to dance. We should teach them.
All right, time to get our groove on.
Now, to make this song fantastic, we need everyone to participate in this next dance. Who would like to join us?
Come on, guys. Don't be shy.
Fantastic job!
I'll be pooping on this little party promptly. Step aside. I heard an audition is taking place. Hi, Nigel! No, yes! Your invitation must have gotten lost in the mail. But now that you are here, show us what you got! Yeah, stop that yapping and get to flapping. Time for a professional to show you how it's done. At first, I was afraid. I was petrified. I kept thinking that I could never live. I could barely fly. And I spent, so many nights thinking, now he did me wrong and I grew strong. And I learned how to get along. Go on now, John. Walk out the door. Don't turn around now. It is I who have the floor. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with the pride? Did you think I'd crumble? Oh no! Did you think I'd lay down and die?
Oh no, not nice!
I will survive. As long as I know how to hate, I know I'll stay alive. I got all my life to live.
And he's got all his love to give.
And I will survive. You will survive. I will survive.
He will survive.
The training again and into my fiber. You were staying alive when I was staying alive. Watch for your sleep when I spit myself like I'm like boom. You never seen another two. Rocking and shocking and dropping and popping and locking two. Watch what I can do without no auto-tune.
Oh, we did
If you try to cut me short, I'll just stop. If you meet me at ping pong, I'll just give me my I will survive. Yes, thank you. My performance was so striking, so suave, and so delicious. Now, why did I not get an invitation to your little soiree? An oversight, I presume. What's the matter? Swallow a feather?
Nigel, no one here was trying to leave you out. Everyone here loves you. You're a star.
Let's hear it for Nigel.
Wow, what was that awful singing? It sounded like a cockatoo being squashed by an elephant.
No, honey. You meant to say we found just the talent we were looking for, right?
Oh, yes, Blue. Just the star we were looking for.
Exactly. In fact, we were just about to show Nigel the dance we learned earlier. Is everybody ready?
Hold your maracas. How do I fit into this little routine?
Well, we hear quite the miraculous player, so maybe you can help us out.
To help or not to help? That's the question. I do have the best rhythm in the jungle. Really, you couldn't do it without me?
My thoughts exactly. Ready, Nigel?
Born ready. Lights. Camera. Action.
Get up! Yeah! That's it! You know what? I think all of you are more than qualified to